Hello, hello! Today is Kuya's Day. We planned a whole day of bonding with Sevi as his reward for being such a great kuya to Polly. Our first activity is to watch a Broadway play na Mrs. Doubtfire, na part ng childhood namin pareho ni Paul. Super excited ako for Sevi because it's his first time to see a Broadway play. Grabe, full house. Sobrang classic kasi ng movie na to. We wondered kung mapantayan kaya ng actor yung performance ni Robin Williams sa movie. O diba? Look how beautiful this theater is. Ay grabe, sobrang galing ng gumanap ng Mrs. Doubtfire. As in, super galing. After, nag-lunch date kami sa isang Japanese restaurant. Pero ito talaga ang pinaka-highlight ng araw ni Sevi, the messy experience. Messi is regarded as one of the greatest players of all time pagdating sa soccer at super idol siya ni Sevi kaya he's so excited when he found out na merong Messi experience dito sa LA. Buti may subtitle dahil Argentinian siya. Here's a bus tour experience. Ang cute ng transition to his journey as a world champion soccer player. Here's a trip down memory lane of his childhood, and it starts with his bedroom nung bata pa siya. They recreated his old room. Here's another room showing how he started to play football. Ito naman yung unang sakay niya sa eroplano to compete sa Barcelona. Here's a recreation of the stadiums he played in and how millions of people witnessed his greatness. Here's another room of his press cons after winning the game. Ito naman ang pinaka na-enjoy ni Sevi, ang interactive room where you can kick some soccer balls. Paul and I tried it also pero medyo nakakapagod to ah. Here's a sample of his locker room and some of his jerseys.
Eso y nosotros. Así que dale, dale. Salgamos la casa.
Ito naman yung room ng FIFA World Cup where he won a lot of these trophies. In the end of the tour, may chance ka pa to take a virtual selfie with Messi. And they give you a gift box as a souvenir.
Cool, Messi stuff. There's a water bottle. Nice.
Before going home, dumaan din kami sa GameStop to buy Sevi a soccer game for his PlayStation. Habang ako naman, nag-Trader Joe's to buy some knickknacks. Thank you for joining us!